Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Mimi's Makeup. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Mimi and I am a psychiatrist and a makeup artist. And if you love makeup tutorials, reviews and DIYs, all these lovely girly stuff, consider subscribing so you have notification every time I upload new video on my channel. And if you are already a subscriber and coming back to my channel, welcome back. I'm so happy to have you all here. So in this video, I'm gonna do with you my facial hair with the laser or IPL device that I have. I have the braun one. It's the Silk Expert Pro 3. I have kind of an introduction like a video for it, one the first time I got it, like showing you everything, the packaging, the device itself, and like talking about it. I'm gonna link in the current description box down below if you want to go and see it. I didn't use it regularly. It was from a couple of months, and to be honest, I didn't use it like every single week. Sometimes I skip a week or two, maybe 3, but so far I see like a good result even if I'm not regular in using this device, which is amazing. So like lately I decided to like go for it and have a discipline to do it every single week. So in this video I'm gonna show you how I do my face, because I do it for my mustache, like the hair above my lips and my peach fuzz like around here. I don't have much, but sometimes it really annoys me, so why not I don't use like a laser device over it, because you can use it on your face too. So that's what I'm gonna do with you in this video. I am in the beginning of using it of my facial hair, so it's like the second or third session. I guess this one is the third session, so I decided to do it with you, and I really want to do it in like a regular basis, like every single week. So I need to like do it like for in Sunday, like every single week. I need to be more disciplined doing this. It's really easy to use and really nice, and I'm gonna show you everything in this video. So as you can see, I am with my eyeglasses because I don't want to wear any contact lens, because I want to see what I'm doing, and in the same time I don't want to irritate my eye even more. So when I have my contact lens and with the very strong light impulse from this device, I don't know how my eye is gonna react to it. So yeah, I'm trying my best to not irritate my eyes, so I'm gonna leave my eye pair with my beautiful glasses and do the job. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna prepare everything, and my face is already shaved and clean and ready to use the IPL device over it. So I'm gonna pop up my lovely cat ears and let's do it. And if you are hearing any noise, it's my cat, because I am having all of them like inside my room. So if you hear any noise, sorry. So now I have my beautiful cat ears on to take my hair away. And now my device is linked to electricity and it's ready to use. As you can see, this light here. Okay, and now I'm gonna press on that beautiful button here, and you're gonna hear kind of a a soft motion noise. It's not too obvious, and I really hope it's not bothering you during the video, but it's really soft. When you hear that voice or that noise, you know it's in work. And you're gonna see a blue light in here, so I'm gonna press on it and it begins to work. And as you can see, can you hear that noise? And there is a light. When you put it on your skin, you can see if it's not perfect, you would see red, like red color here. When it's perfect, you're gonna see a full white color. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just press like this and just go in like slow motion, and with each movement I'm gonna like press that big button here to make a pulse. And during like while I'm clicking this button, I'm gonna close my eyes, because I don't wanna like irritate my eyes with the light. And you must not look to the light, okay? It's a laser light, you don't want to hurt your eyes, so you need to close your eyes or wear kind of sunglasses. But for me, I'm gonna close my eyes. What I'm gonna do my peach fuzz area here and around my mouth, my lips, for the mustache and the hair around this area. That's what I'm gonna do. It's not massive, but you know, it's better to make it like less and less than a lot. You know what I mean. So let's do it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just like go in here when I see that white light, and I'm gonna just okay, now I can try your best to find okay. I'm gonna do this too. Oops. Really strong line. Go. For this area, it's better to go like this for me because it have a really wide opening here. Oh, sorry. Because I was closing my eyes, I didn't see. With closing my eyes really irritate my eyes. So that's why I didn't want to wear the contact lens. So I can see my eye begin to water. So I'm gonna do that right here. Okay, and that's it. You can use this part as well as if you want. So yeah, that's basically it. I'm gonna close it by pressing on that button, and now it's silent and beautiful. And that's it. So you need to shave your face before doing that. You need to have a really short hair. Don't worry, I'm not gonna take any of your long hair from here. I shaved it from here down all the way this area. So you do it once per week for 12 weeks. I guess for my facial hair I don't need that much, but it's really quick thing to do. So I don't know the effect on my face yet because this is the second or the third session for my face, but I told you for my legs and underarm with a regular use it's amazing. I feel the difference, the growth of my hair. I begin to see white patches that don't have hair after 1 week or maybe 10 days after shaving, which is amazing because for me, usually after 1 week of shaving, I usually have like hair all over the place, but now I don't. I have patches of hair, not full leg of hair. That's amazing. So I need to be more disciplined in using this device. So it's not fully recommended, but for me I am happy with the result that I have, that I am seeing. And yeah, I need to be more like regular using this. Anyway, this is for this. As you can see, it's really quick. It doesn't take a lot of time if you're gonna do like a small area like your face. So yeah, I really hope this video was helpful, showing you how to do the IPL device or do a laser facial hair laser at home. It's really easy and really beautiful and doesn't cause any pain at all. You just have a little bit of, you feel like a little bit of heat over your skin, but don't overdo it or it will be painful. So this is for this video. I really hope I didn't forget anything, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. I'll be so happy to answer your comments. And yeah, if you want any more information about this, let me know to do another video. If you want to see how I do my legs, for example, my underarm, let me know. I'll be so happy to do a video for you. And for the shaving face will be a whole other video. Anyway, stop flopping, and that's it for this video. I really hope you like it. And yeah, as usual, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you like it. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. These links in the description box down below. And don't forget to hit the bell button so you have notification every time I upload a new video on my channel. And I'm gonna see you soon in the next video. I love you so much. Bye.